Hi there, how's it going? So I hope you're all well. My name's Carl and this is Waterside Workshop. So today we're going to do a pollen filter on a Vauxhall Mokka 1.6 CDTI. Here's the filter. Now I would say these filters are the same in any engine make. You know, petrol, diesel, turbo, etc, etc. So these ones are under the glove box, behind the glove box even, on the passenger side. So we'll go around there. I'll show you how to disconnect this, that and the other, how to get into the actual section where you got to pull the filter system and that from, and how to clean it all out and stuff, and what to do next. So let's go. So round to the passenger side, open the old door, make sure everything's clear, open the old glove box, and down the side here, got this little catch. You can either squeeze that in and pull it off this end, which is quite hard to do. If not, get your finger up the top here and push the little bar off that end and unclip that. Then after that, I'll put you in the stand and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I'm going to get in for this bit, and basically at the top of the panels here, on both sides, there's like a flexible bit. You need to squeeze it in quite a lot, because you've got to get this bit of the plastic past the side basically. What that does, that drops the whole box down like so. It's all going to fall out, just let it go onto the floor, and you have to really sort your box out. And then in here, which I'll come in and show you the camera, in here, along here, is where your filter system lives. So we're looking inside here now, and this bit here is where your filter system lives inside there. Now you've got to push these clips in on the sides, both sides. Quite hard to do with one hand. Basically, it lifts up like so, and that's where your filter is. You can see your arrows pointing downwards. You want to keep your arrows pointing downwards, and that's how that system goes. Now, grab hold of the filter, which is very hard to do with one hand. So, like I say, grab hold of the filter. Oh, you can see how bad this one is. It's in a hell of a state. No, that ain't been changed for a very long time. Probably never, I would say. So we'll very carefully get rid of that. That'll be going wrapped up in a plastic bag and put in the bin. And then in the system in here, as you can see, get your hands and stuff in. We'll actually pull out leaves and stuff. If there's big old systems like that, just pull it all out, get rid of them on the floor. And then what I normally do is get the old hoover, get in there, hoover that all out. Or if you've got an airline or something like that, turn the old compressor on and get in there and blow gun and blow that all out. And that should sort the system out. Next of all, you want your new filter out. Now, I'm going to take this over and just make sure we've got the same system as what we're taking out. Just bear with me because I'm trying to do it with one hand. Just sort of put them side by side like that so you know they're the right size. check the height and stuff like that, and you should be good. Now that one came out like so, with the arrows pointing downwards. We've got no arrows pointing on this one, but I'm pretty sure it goes that way around. So that's what we'll do. So line up your system, get your filter source all lined up, press it in, just lift up the flaps, push in each corner, make sure it's in there nicely, push this down, make sure it locks on both sides, which it does, and simple as that. Get your glove box, push in them corners again, put your little bar back on the side there, shut your glove box. So that's pretty much that. And what I do is I use the old box, because this is absolutely full of it. Slide it in there, seal that up. If you have to, just put a bit of tape over it or something like that, and it's ready to go in the bin. So once I've done that, I come into the car, I adjust all my heating all onto full, push the button, turn it right up, let all my airflow go through all the different settings, push all the different settings, so it's all they're all adjusting, so that filter's doing its job basically. Then turn it down to cold, do the same again, go through the system, go through your aircon, and then just run your blowers basically for all the settings that they go through, and that'll pick up anything that's left in the system and clean it all out, and then you should be good to go, and away you go, and everything should be good. Should have nice clean air, nice good old pollen filter. So as you can see, it's not too much of a job. It's fairly straightforward, something that most people can do themselves without going to a garage. So basically get into the old glove box there, pull off them little catches from the sides, squeeze it in to pull the whole lot down. Don't let it go to use your contents towards the floor, empty it first. It's easier, but I didn't realise they flipped right over like that. I thought they'd just come down and stopped, but they didn't. Then you got the two little catches on either side, push them in and pull it up and over, and then hold it up. Get something on the sides of either side, flat blade screwdriver or something like that, just to start getting it going, get your hands on it. Out it comes. Get in there with a hoover, give it a good old hoover out. Make sure it's all nice and clean, turn the old blower and that on while you got the filter out, just to blow out whatever's in the heater side of things. And you're ready to put the new one in, click it all back together, click the glove box back in, put the little bar on the side back on, click it back in place, and away you go. As I say, I'll show you what to do on the old system. Just go for all your heater settings, use your aircon, use everything. That should blow everything through the system. That should pick up anything that's coming through, and you should get nice clean air, and that's what it's all about. So hopefully that's helped you out, saved you a bit of money. It's not a too long a job, as you can see, and you should be able to do it yourself. So thanks for watching, hope I've helped you. If you want to see any other sort of videos like this, like air filters under the bonnet, how to do oil changes, how to do front and rear brake pads and discs, that sort of thing, how to free up sliders and stuff on your brakes, handbrake adjustment, how to take off a mirror, headlight bulbs, rear bulbs, etc, etc. Any how-tos. If they're not on my channel, if you go on my how-to list, if they're not there and there's something you want, let me know, and then next time I get that vehicle in, or I've got one coming up for sale or something like that, I'll use that vehicle and I'll do a how-to for you. So just let me know what you want if it's not there already, and hopefully I'll be able to help you out. Okay, so thanks for watching, and bye for now.